What's going on, everybody? My name is Mike Salami Man, and welcome to Lurking. I know that the poll is out right now, and I said that was going to be the next horror game. I'm going to let that sit for a while, and I'm going to probably play a few more little horror games, but those are a lot bigger. This I just found on Game Jolt, and there's a few others that'll probably come out before I play the one that wins on the poll. So prepare for more horror games. I did this like calibration thing, and apparently this thing picks up my voice. So I don't know. This looks interesting. Let's play. Whoa, whoa, hey now. Let's can we lower that mouse sensitivity, please? Better. Left click. I'm assuming the door.
FBI, open up!
H? Oh, what the hell? This game is weird. Ah. What the heck? What? Ah! What the heck? What? Whoa. What the hell? This is so cool. Wait, any noise that I make? Oh, this is cool, dude. Oh, what the fuck? This is so unique. This is dude, this is so unique, dude. Oh, what the heck? I wonder if anybody's played this. Probably. This is unique, dude. Yeah! Yeet! Whoa. Wait. Can I guess there's audio call logs or something, like, later. Dude, this is so cool. I don't know what the point is here, though. Also, why was the calibration able to pick up my screams? Apparently, also it said on Game Jolt that this is like a thriller, so it's supposed to be like really scary. Thrillers are supposed to be like really scary. Yup. Hello. Log, please. But wait, that's a log. Let me have the. Fuck you. Hello, friend. Hello. You're probably gonna be gone, aren't you? Yes, sir. Yep. Can I have that log back? I don't know where it went. Hello, log? Log! Give me the log! Wait, is that not an audio log? How to... Q! Alright, guess not. Let's see. Let's go this way. Whoa, this is so cool. Like, again, I don't understand what the point of it is yet, but I'm sure we'll get there. Let's see, we got air tanks. Dude, this is such a cool, like... Whoa! Fuck your computer! Shoot, sorry about that. Sorry, here, let me put it back. Chair, move. I'm trying to fix this computer. Oh god. Oh fuck. Oh jeez. Oh well. Let me just yup. You're coming with me, mouse. You're coming with me. Bro, stop it. I don't like the fact that it's like. Alright. What? Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god! Oh, I died. Okay. Okay. Don't. Red. I miss. Hey! Bitch! Wait, what the fuck? Whoa, whoa! Okay, okay. Alright. So don't let him touch me. Hi. Hey! See ya. Bro. Oh, what the hell? This is so weird. Whoa. Hey! Hey! No! chill. I can run. Dude, I hate it. I hate it! I hate it! Ah! Ah! Oh, no, it does pick. Wait. Ah! What the heck, dude? So my screams do make sound. Wait. Yeah, it's literally making noise. What the heck? Oh, this is so cool. It's literally picking up sound. Oh, man. I wonder if anybody else has played this. Probably. It'd be cool to be like the first person to play a game. Hello? Don't cry. Oh, now you're laughing? Wait, are you crying laughing? Where am I, dude? What kind of world is this? Oh, no, this is definitely an insane asylum. That's for goddamn sure. Okay, I guess I just have to keep screaming, and, I'm in the vents now. Oh, I hate them. Hello? Dude, I tried. Oh, ew! Ew, hey! Don't do that! Stop it! Oi, quit that. That's disgusting. Also, I think the game glitched out because I thought I had that other audio log. I clicked on it and it didn't give it to me, which kind of sucks. Maybe it got it to me. Oh wait, no, it said two. No, it said that many of that many. So I'm assuming. Well, wait. Shh. Hey! Oh. Yep. Oh, fuck that. Nope. See ya. Yep, see ya. Nope. I'm good. I don't know, it feels like the sounds just aren't loud enough to be super scary, but I mean, I'm into this cool, like, style, dude. This is actually, like, really cool. Alright. Hey, you're nice, I guess. Where the... Jeez! Okay, that sound was loud. Dude, I love the fact that it can pick up my voice! Kind of. It's a little gimmicky, but that's fine. Hello? Are you still in here? Wait, what the hell? Oh, security! Hello? Wait, you seem good, right? Nope, can't go in there. Okay. Crouch. I must be carrying metal. Sorry about that. Wait, can I like throw things at people? Let me drink some bleach. Oh, okay. Excuse me. Oh no. Oh god. There's gonna be an audio log in here somewhere. Let me search the search this. Aha. Is that an audio log? No, it's not. Okay. Yeah, there's gonna be something bad. Yeah. Yup. Oh my god! Yup. Did you wait? So are these people eating me? At least the checkpoints are like reasonable. I knew there was gonna be something bad in here. Making sure I. Okay. Hey! Yeah! Run! Oh, you're fast! Oh! What's up, bitch? Fuck. Alright, okay. Hey! Okay. Can you come through doors? Hello? Hey! wonder. You probably can. Call log. Thank you. Oh. Everyone, shut up. This has turned into horror now. Fuck, dude. Fuck. Oh my gosh! Okay. How do I lead him away? Do I just gotta like run around the room? Okay, I have a plan. I'm gonna run. He's gonna be right there, isn't he? Yep. Run! Run! No, what the hell? Why is he so fast? Hello? Okay. So that's what I have to do. No! Surely not. Are you kidding me? So I need to... Yeah! Go check it out. Come on. Go check it out. Okay. Yeah! Go check it out. Yes. Yes, dude, yes. Yes, yes, okay, so, dude, this is so freaking cool, man. This is so cool. So, wait, am I just an insane person? Wait, I need a key card? There's the outside. Awesome. Wait, does that mean I missed a bunch of, like, audio logs? Audio log, let's go. Oh, that made a lot of noise, dude. Dude, I want to play more games like this, like sound oriented. Is that a noose? Wait, what's in here? Hello? This TV's broken. Upstairs we go. Yeah, I know, right? Oh, key card. Fuck. Are you? Close that. Thank you. Oh! Fucking scared me. Okay, how? Go. No, wait, no, come on! Oh. Okay, that was, oh, fuck, that was so close. Oh, that scared me. Oh, I should have just not panicked. Knew, dude. Yes! Yes! I did it! Get wrecked, you fucking ass! Let's go! Let me out! Let me out! Are you... Oh, okay. I was like, please don't be more. Wow! That was cool. That was definitely one of the most unique experiences I've ever played. Definitely one of the most unique. That was really cool. Well done, developers. Oh, audio logs. I didn't get them all, but... Oh, it doesn't... Shoot, man. Can I... No, I'm not gonna get them all. So I missed 3 and 5. This is it. Does these not actually play? Oh, dang it. That sucks. Today's 5th of April. It's now 1300 hours. That's it. We're finally moving into human trials, and it will be the greatest achievement in neuroscience ever. And everyone will finally know my name. The operation on test subject 1 will commence in about an hour's time. Subject is in optimal condition. In regards to reports from the assistants, I would like to go on record and say that I observed no abnormal behavior from the animal subjects at all. April 16th, 1986. The operation was a great success. 01's still out cold, but we expect him to wake up any moment. There was a minor incident, however. The lab rats somehow managed to escape from their confines. We need to find them. We try to recapture them now. Dude, it sounds like they're Russian or something because they're not saying like specific words. Some idiot must have left cage door open. I don't know. Stupid. June 28th, 1986. Number 5's not waking up. Damn it. What went wrong? I was sure this could work. I was sure. Don't understand. Now these bastards are threatening to shelf the project. They don't know the importance of this project to mankind. To me. Short-sighted fools. All of them. I will make this work. I'll show them. Yes, the operation is a success. I can still see. I knew it. My device works. Ha. That will show them how... Now these fools will have to eat their words. I'll be famous. What? Can't you see I'm busy? Get lost or I'll... Log entry unknown. There seems to be an issue with the device. I keep seeing things. I'm still trying to fix the problems but I'm unable to so far. The goddamn device. Why? Why doesn't it work properly? Why? I was so close. I was going to cure people. It was supposed to do so good. And the stinking sponsors, idiots, all of them. I am the greatest. What? Who's there? What? Where are you? Show yourself. Is this working? Still working? I don't know what has happened. Those things are everywhere. They try to hide. I know they are there. I can see them. No! Hope you guys enjoyed my crappy Russian accent.
Nope.
So we didn't get them all, but that's cool. That was a super unique experience. I wish the audio logs would have actually played. Also, yeah, I feel like there should have been, like, voice acting for that. I think that's, like, the only downside I can think of. I was a little dumb sometimes, but oh my god. Such a cool experience. I loved it. That was so cool. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.